Ayan pala guys, no, hello, good evening to all of you guys. So today is my birthday, so gabi na, so birthday pa rin. So, ayan, kasama siya sa ating Katikesa Flores de Mayo. So, naa siya kanang letters nga greetings na ako kanina. So karon napaduydaghan ng mga letters diri. So, you can see, itindaghan na. So basahon nato ron, no? So happy birthday to me pala. So maghintay lang kayo guys ha, mag-reply ako later. So busy pa jud. So mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Huwag kayong magsawa na mag-comment. So now so mag-start na tayo. Ito yung unahin natin. Sino kaya ito? Naligo na akong ate. Nato ani. Isa ka ni day. Nundot day kayo. Yung gihatag na ako. So dalian lang nato, no? Kay basig mo taas kayo ni. So happy birthday, Ate Michelle. We love you and God loves you too. Yes. Thank you so much. Siya. So next, next, na ito tagahatag diri lang kalingkod para makitaan sa kanya kay tagahatag. So happy birthday mommy. So from Steezy, no, sister ni Kelly. So anak sa sister ko, Sister Miraflor. So there, Mommy Michelle, thank you for the food and everything, and for drinks and drinks. Oh, thank you so much, Stacy. Yay! So next, from asa na sagka nino from. So happy birthday, Ate Michelle. More birthdays to come, and God bless you always. From RV. So anak ni Dinden. Oh, thank you so much, RV. Thank you. So next, from Rever L. Entiro. So, lalaki siya. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. So, simple lang, no? Pero nindot kayang yang pagka-drawing. So, naagid siya, kasi tawagan na, future. Soon. Basta mahimo siyang painter. So, next, sunod, atong dalian day. Gabi na. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Thank you so much sa baon nga among nadawat karong adlaw o uban pang. Again, happy birthday, Ate Michelle. So, thank you so much sa mga pagkaon daw. Kasi nga, nag-ano ako today, nag-feeding. So, it's okay. Mag-help ako hanggat kaya ko. Kahit kunti, simple na snacks lang. So, happy birthday, Ate Michelle. From where? From Zaya. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Salamat sa sponsor nga pagkaon. Akong wish ni mo nga maayo ka og lawas for me. Wow. More blessing. Thank you so much, Zaya. Isang anak?
Marijin.
Okay, next. Oh, Marijin? Okay.
Dili Marijin.
Happy birthday, Ate Michelle from asa? Ay, from Bernadette. Isa man as Bernadette.
Anak Rose.
Oh, happy birthday. Salamat sa snack. Nabusog jud me. Ang tanan nga tigaan ta ka grasya sa Ginoo. Unya, happy birthday food og tigaan pa ka og maayong panglawas sa diay sa Ginoo. From Bernadette, thank you so much. Kasi na mo ingon nakuha nga tagaan ta ka og ikaduhang asawa. Ha? Katawa. Yan na din. Then next is happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Thank you for the food and the ice cream and bacon. Thank you. Happy birthday from Caitlin. Thank you so much, Caitlin. Next, dali. Parang nagdali ta din. Saan? So happy birthday, Ate Michelle. I wish you have a good health every day. Oh, from Hurricane. Sino si Hurricane? Thank you so much, Hurricane. Ingad to na ang nahumanin mo, ha? Tapos, our singing Zeva. Wow, nakita niya akong pangalan. So, taas kayo, no? Atong basahon, no? Happy birthday words. Too short to express the depth of my admiration for you. But still, I want to wish you from the bottom of my heart. Wow. You are an incredible person, and your strength, resilience, and unwavering kindness is something that inspires everyone around you every day. May your birthday reflect the goodness and warmth you bring into this world. Wishing you a day full of blessing and happiness. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, happy birthday to Ate Michelle from Kyla Isabel Juarez. Who is that? Wow, thank you so much, Kyla. Thank you so much for the wonderful words. Oh, thank you. Next, happy birthday. Wow, napa siya yung nani, no? So, taas yun na itong video ro, no? Mura, hindi pa ma-upload ba niya? Maputol ni. Wishing you a birthday. May your birthdays be filled with happiness. Have a fantastic birthday. Sending you best wishes on your special day. Happy birthday and may have returns to a year filled with a blessing and joy. So, kilala niyang anak ko. So, Ate Michelle, Kais, Evan, Redus. Thank you so much.
Anak.
Okay. So, punta tayo sa second batch.